In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to trim surfaces using Inventor Fusion. Let's begin by making our origin visible. Just switch the light bulb on. Here's the Trim Surface tool. Our first step is to select a cutting tool. And we can choose many different entities. We can trim by planes, by connected sketch entities, by surfaces, quilts, solid faces, etc. I'll select this plane here. Next, we select the surfaces to remove. And click OK. Here is our result. Let's undo that. Now I'm going to hide the origin. Let's right-click on this face and create a new sketch. Bring in the spline tool. Double-click to finish. And let's stop the sketch. Now activate the Trim tool again. For my cutting tool, I'll select the spline. As you can see, the trimming surface is normal to the sketch plane. Okay, let's select the surfaces to remove. And click OK. And here's our result. And this concludes our tutorial about using the Trim Surface tool in Inventor Fusion.